Alan. I'm at Pineapple in the Next Step workshop. We done choreo to the Next Step songs, and it was the greatest. Like, I've never experienced something like this before, and I definitely recommend it to someone else.
I'm Matilda, and I've just done the Next Step workshop at Pineapple Dance Studio. My favourite part of the day was when we did the hip hop and street section.
The best part of the workshop, I think, was when we showed our dance to the parents. My favourite thing today was the duet with my sister.
My favourite part was when we did the freestyle.
Today we have been doing choreography from the Next Step, and it was amazing.
If someone was nervous, then I would say no one's going to judge you.
Come on, everybody, let's go. So we got the feeling.
I really enjoyed when they taught us the street dance hip hop section. The Next Step workshop was great, and I made some really nice new friends.
I would definitely come back, and if you haven't been here before, you definitely should.
It's the best place ever to dance.
So Jess and Vanessa, they hit me at the jam. They both showed up, now I'm chilling with my man. Oh wow, this music's so loud, it's party too packed to move through this crowd. So there's no room, but I'm dancing now. My whole crew getting cap and gowns. Who's that? Dude, we the new cats in town. I got a couple moves I can hand you down. It goes one step, two step, next step, you step, let's go. First me, then what? Who step? Let's go. That's you. What you wanna do next? Look.